Hello, fam. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. When wherever the time zone you are turning into, you are turning in from. Sorry, daddy. You already know my name is Abu001. Kindly don't forget shares, comments, like, and don't forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be the first person what to see my video and watch the video. So before we start this analysis, I want to beg you all for my subscriber. I really appreciate. For those of you that you are just scrolling up you are just scrolling up the YouTube and my video come into your screen. Kindly don't forget to watch to subscribe also, and I beg you all to watch the video to the end. Seriously, you will see one or two things to grab seriously. See, because we used to do our daily analysis. Today the analysis it's I will drop with this, but this analysis will still meet our opportunity maybe around 2 o'clock and New York session, sir. New York session because there is I have network issue. That is why. That is why. So let's quickly go into the chat and see what the chat asks for us. You already know before we start analyzing, we see what is happening in fundamental analysis. And you can see fundamental analysis what is happening on USC, USD is what is moving up, and what is happening on those if we see yesterday, most of the pair are crashing yesterday, and you can see Iran there is Iran. I think they say Iran interfere to some refinery. Maybe there is one refinery Iran interfere to Saudi Arabia. So US, some people, so people are moving into USD. So US is gaining value. That is why you can see all the pairs are crashing, and USD is going up. So this is what we are having. Yes, you are impact analysis. This are news. This day is Wednesday. We are not trading AUD. We are trading USD. You can see USD 215. USD. This is ADP non-prime firm. Oh, what is the high impact news? Let's see the effect of the news. They say actual greater than the forecast is good for the currency. So due to the current situation of the market of what is happening in USA. Let's see maybe this news there will be high impact. Around 4 o'clock, they say actual greater than the forecast is good for the currency also. So this is what we are having. So let's move. We have news and two. We have news and two what and 2:30, and we have news around 4 o'clock. So you already know 15 minutes before the news, we stay away for the market. Uh, for 15 minutes after the news, we enter the market again. So 15 minutes after the news, we enter the market again. So let's see what we are having on the chart. So this is what we happen on the chart. So we started from SAUD, XAUSD, which is gold silver. You can see for daily time frame, this is where the market is. This is where the opportunity, I think. This is FEGA. There is FEGA, and you can see the key level here. There is FEG here. Let's just see what this FEG is doing. After market mitigated this FEG, market mitigated this FEG. This is the FEG market mitigated on daily time frame. So you can see on daily time frame, this is our swing high, this is our swing low. So market is in between the swing high and the swing low. What we are going to do is just to continue the trend. You can see what the market is showing an uptrend. Let's move to daily time frame, 4 hours time frame. This is for 4 hours time frame. You can see this is where the market is. And as for me, this is uptrend. Let's continue the uptrend because market has mitigated this key level, this weekly key level on 4 hours time frame. So this is where we are. This is the FEG of daily time frame. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. You can see after market mitigated it is giving us bullish. So let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is telling us. This is 1 hour time frame. You can see the 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame is giving us bullish. This is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. On 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure to up. Internal break of structure. And this is the internal break of structure. And this is the what? This is the other block. This is the other block. You can see what the market is trying to do. So let's move to this is where yes we are expecting the market for here because this is the 4 hour supply. We are expecting the market here. This is the 4 hour supply. This is manual supply. On 1 hour time frame. This is what we are doing. Let's move to 15-minute time frame our entry. This is 15-minute time frame. This is you can see this is last break of short to downtrend. This is last break of short to downtrend. This is the last break of short to downtrend, and this is our super boss. There is FEG here. There is FEG here. There is FEG over there. So let's move to 15-minute time frame our entry. This 15-minute time frame. You can see the FEG. So market is going there. Let's just see what market is doing. On 15-minute time frame, I'm seeing FEG here. After market mitigated this place, let's see if we can see break of structure. If we see break of structure, we find the opportunity to. But let's wait to mitigate this opportunity. If we see break of structure, it will from here it will turn to change of character. So we find the opportunity, we find a way to take the trade. So as for now, market is giving us downtrend, and if you want to take this downtrend, this is where we are taking it. But we have to wait for the market because where the market has mitigated this place. So and as for me, if markets want to move downtrend, I'll be expecting the market to come to this break of structure, this break of structure 4 hours. This is the valid place. Take this sell. If the sell want to happen again, this is the valid place to take the sell. If the sell want to happen again, you can say this is the valid place to take the sell. If the sell want to open, if the sell want to happen again, this is the valid place to take the sell. Seriously. But we are taking the buy. This is the FEG. Market may react from here, but let's just see. If we see change of character, definitely the market is going to open. You can see this is the last break, and this because the FEG is up. Let's just see. This is the last. If you see change of character on 1 hour on 15-minute time, definitely we are taking the option. So let's move to XAGUSD. This is XAGUSD from what? For daily time frame. This is our swing low. This is our swing high. You can see market is here between the both. Markets in the between. And after market mitigated this FEG, this is the FEG market mitigated. You can see this is the FEG market mitigated on daily time frame. So as for me, the market, let's see, we are in uptrend, but we got see confirmation before we take the uptrend. And this is what is happening. Let me just leave this so like I want to do I want to do what's let's see what's happening on daily time frame. We see change of character. The market will get this FEG. After market mitigated the ECFEG, this is the what? This is the, you can see this is the block of structure here. This is the block of structure here. Let's see. We have, but as for me, market is in option, but we can't see what market after market mitigated that FEG. Let's see 1 hour time frame. If you're sitting up character 1 hour, definitely we are taking the option. This is the last break of structure. This is the break of structure here also. This is the break of structure. That break of structure. And we have what? We have other block here. So we are taking the sell, but the buy may happen because what the market is giving us, what market is giving us because market has hit this FEG. So we gas on 4 hours. This is the opportunity market give us. Wow. So so this is what is happening. Market has mitigated this FEG, and if we consider this FEG, there is key level. And this is supply and wait. I'm expecting the market to do what to sort to push it down. But let's see what is happening. This is the last break. This is the last break of structure on what on daily on 4 hours time frame to downtrend. On 1 hour time frame, this is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is what 1 hour gave us. So let's see if we can see change of character or breaker block. We are taking the uptrend. So you see we are taking the uptrend because what market gave us we are in bullish. We are in bullish. We are in bullish. Let's see 15-minute time frame our entry. Let's see what is happening on 15-minute time frame. This is the other block we are waiting for the markets. But let's see what this other block is trying to do. So this is what the other block is trying. The other block is giving us sell here. You can take the sell. You are taking the sell from there because there is opportunity here. There is opportunity here. This is our liquidity. Yeah, this is our liquidity, and there is opportunity here. This is the recent break of store 1 hour time frame. And let's see what this is trying to do. But we guys be patient because markets mitigated this on daily time frame FEG. So if we want to take this uptrend, we are going to see change of character and see where we can take the uptrend. But as for now, the market is telling us downtrend, so we can take our downtrend from this opportunity. This is what gold and silver and gold is telling us. This is the FEG. This is the FEG where we can take the sell on gold also. But let's wait. Let's just wait for the confirmation. I'm selling from here. But the reason why I say we should wait for the confirmation is because market mitigated the FEG, and the FEG can give us what? It can give us bullish. The FEG can give us bullish because market is on key level here. So the FEG can this is bullish. The FEG can give us bullish. Market, if market broken this place, find opportunity, find where FEG take the buy, take the buy. But as for now, let's respect the market. But as for me, I'm still expecting the bullish, but let's see what this market is doing for us. You can say let's see what the market is trying to do for us, because this is where the market is. The market is telling us, it's telling us what it's telling us. Market before expected the scale level. So let's move to US 30. This is what US 30 is trying to do. From daily time frame, this is our swing high, this is our swing low, and this is another swing low. You can see break of structure. These are another swing. All these ones are serve as liquidity for me. You can see all those ones serve as liquidity for me, because I'm expecting the market to come down here seriously. This Since we have chosen this, so let's move to daily time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. This is where the opportunity, another opportunity is. This is where the opportunity is. You can see, because this is the last break of structure on 4 hours time frame. On 4 hours time frame, this is the last break of structure, because liquidity have served this space. Let's see if we can see, change up, if you can see, this is where the opportunity is. We are selling from here. We continue our sell from here. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. This is 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure, and this is what we are expecting for the market. Let's see what this market is trying to do. This is where we are expecting the sell. If you can see the sell from here, we are taking the sell here. The tape here. So we are selling from here to here. So this is what I'm seeing on what? On US 30. Or we should take to the leaves. This is the key level that pushes up. You can see this is the key level. After market trade, this is the key level that pushes up. So let's see if market can come back to these key levels. So let's take our TP there. So this is what I'm seeing. I'm still seeing what I'm seeing. I'm still seeing bearish on US 30, because the general value of the market is telling, as you can see, is telling us bearish. This is where we are taking the sell. We are selling from there on 15 minutes. You can see this is where the opportunity is. We are selling our market from there. So let's just be patient. Let's just be patient. We are selling from here. Let's just be patient and see what market has for us. Me, I don't take any trade anyhow. Set my entry and take the and set my analysis and take the trade seriously. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. But now I guess wait for the confirmation. I guess wait for the confirmation. Seriously. So let's move to EU. Sorry for that. You can see EU. This downtrend. This is the downtrend. This is the swing high. This is the swing low, and this is the swing high, and this is what? This is a correctional movement. Seriously, market is going bullish. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. This is 4 hours time frame. This is the last break of structure of 4 hour time frame. We are seeing what we are seeing in downtrend. This is the last break of structure on 4 hours time frame, and this is where the buyer entered the market, and this is where we are setting our opportunities, and we are selling the market down. We are selling the market down seriously. This one is the last break of this break of structure. We are expecting this last break of structure seriously all these ones. We are expecting this last break of structure because you can see this is the entire break of structure here. And as for me, let's use Fibonacci retracement. Let's see where this opportunity is. So let's just this is the last break of structure, and this is the high, this is the high, this is the lower high that gave us this low. This is the low that gave us. Let's use Fibonacci retracement. Let's see if the market is retraced 50%. If the market is 50%, we are free to go. But if it does not, we are not free to go. But the market retraces 38 points. So, but the perfect play is 50. If the market retraces 50%, sure we are free to go. We are free to go. So we guys be patient if you want to take this trade. Seriously, let's move to 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame. This 1 hour time frame. Because this is the break of structure here. This is another break of structure. This is where the market mitigated. You can just say we are taking our opportunity here. Market we are taking the opportunity from here. So let's just wait. This is what we are seeing. This is what I'm seeing on GU. Let's move to EU also. This is EU. This is what this is swing low. This is swing high. And we are seeing what we are seeing that trend. We are seeing this correctional movement. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what 4 hours time frame is telling us. This is 4 hours time frame. And this 4 hours time frame, we are seeing what we are seeing bullish here. We are seeing bearish here. Other block here. But this is first. This is our last break of structure here. You can see this is our last break of structure here. And we are having break of structure over here also. But this break of structure did not, the market may respect this place because this break of structure did not retrace 50%. So we guys be patient. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what's happening on 1 hour. This is what is happening on 1 hour time frame. This is what's happening on 1 hour time frame. This is the last break of structure on 1 hour time frame. And this place we still have FED here. So we guys, this is where we can take our sell from. We are selling from here. We are selling from there. We are selling from here. So our TP will be here. This is what market is giving us. We react to the market, we do not predict the market. That is what. So let's move to UJ. You can see this is what is happening on UJ. As for me, this is where the market is. Seriously. This is the last break of structure. And this this is the last break of structure on daily time frame. We have opportunity here also. But let's wait. Let's see if the market retraces 50%. Maybe that place is valid. The market enter the 50%. This place is valid. Let's say it's valid also. You can change this other block. But what is happening now is because we have another block down trend.
and this we still have FEG. You can see we have FEG here. So this other block is valid to push the market up. This place is valid to push the market up because there's FEG there. If you want to take this buy, we can take the buy from here. But let's see if this opportunity, because we are still expecting the market to mitigate this before the market is in downtrend now. Let's see where we can see the opportunity. You can see this is the what the market is trying or tell us. This is what the market is trying to tell us. On 1 hour time frame, on 1 hour time frame, this is the way the opportunity is. So let's just see what the market is trying to tell us. This is another breakout structure. Let's just see the market. You can see this was this change of character, and let's see if the market, this other block is just waiting. But the perfect place to take the trade, the on 4 hours time frame, on daily time frame, the perfect place to take the trade to up is here. If you want market to mitigate this supply before continuing the, because this place serves as adjustment liquidity. So let's just see if markets, because this is the nearest opportunity for the market to sell. This is what is happening. So let's see what is happening here. So let's see 15-minute time frame on our entry. So we are taking the buy from here. Let's just wait for the opportunity. You can see the opportunity. We are taking the buy from there. So let's see what is happening. Let's see what is happening. Market service liquidity is control. So let's see if this 1 hour order block is trying to push it up. But as for me, I do not count this order block as valid because it does not retrace 15%. It does not retrace 50% before. So it may serve as liquidity. But let's just wait. For this way I'm buying. Let's move to GU. Let's see what GU is trying to tell us. This is what GU is trying to tell us. But I'm expecting from daily time frame. You can see the market is in between the swing high and the swing low. This is our swing low, this is our swing high. Market is in between the swing high and the swing low. And this is where the opportunity is. Now let's move to 4 hours time frame analysis time frame. Let's see what the market is trying to do. There's FEG here. Market mitigated this order block here. But this other block has not tried to push it up. So there's FEG near that. There's FEG below this other block. You can see the FEG. Let's see, maybe the market is coming here. Let's move to 1 hour time frame. Let's see what 1 hour time frame is trying to tell us. This is what 1 hour time frame is trying to tell us. All these ones are liquidity market is creating. All these ones are liquidity. Let's just wait for market here before we can continue the uptrend. This is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm seeing on what on GBPJPY. Let's see what is happening on Sliver. I say on Sliver, on BTC crypto. If you see the video I dropped yesterday, if you see the video I dropped yesterday, what I said on BTC is that if the market broken that this higher, this 4 hours higher, definitely we are taking the opportunity here. This is liquidity, this is FEG. So let's wait for the market to come down again before we can take another any opportunity for buy. We are saying that market, this is our swing high, this is the lower high, and this is the lower low. This is our swing low and this is our swing high. So market is in between the both. So let's just wait and see what is happening. On four hours, this is the change of character. The market came back to this change of character. We have another internal order block here. So market that give us a perfect opportunity for here. This is what this break of structure. This is internal break of structure as for me. This is internal break of structure, and this is where the opportunity is. This serves as liquidity. You can see this is break of structure. This is where the market mitigated until the uptrend. But this serves as liquidity for me. Where market is coming back to mitigate before we continue the uptrend. This place. And we are taking our buy from here. If we see 50-minute time frame, let's just wait for the market. Let's wait for this 15 minute 4 hours candle to close. If it close with full body candle, definitely the market is coming back here to continue the what? To continue the buy. To continue the buy. But as for now, market is a key level. I don't know what key level is trying to do. Maybe it's trying to push it down. So let's just wait. Let's see 15 minutes. Maybe there's opportunity of 15 minutes so that we can continue our buy. So this is on 1 hour time frame. This will serve as liquidity for me. But let's see 15-minute time frame. Market may respect this 15-minute time frame, but as for me, I still expected this 4 hours, as opportunity before anything. I expected this 4 hours. This 4 hours is the best opportunity for me to take the buy. So I'll be expecting the 4 hours. The market should come back to this 4 hours before anything, before I can decide anything. Let's move to Ethereum. Let's see what's happening on Ethereum. This is what is happening on Ethereum also. You can see this is the last break of on daily time frame. We are what this is our lower, this is a lower low, this is our swing high, and this is our swing low. You can see market is in between the bull trade. Let's move to 4 hours time frame. Let's see what's happening on 4 hours time frame. This is the change of character. Market came back to this change of character order block. It's trying to give us so upward. But what is happening now is that you can see that mm, BTC is fast move ahead than Ethereum. So BTC has broken the what the change of character break of structure of 4 hours. So let's see if we can see the break of structure of here. If market can came back to strengthen this liquidity to feed the FED before continuing the uptrend. So this is what I'll be looking for. We are expecting the supply here. So because there's FED here. So let's just wait and see what is happening in the market. On US 30, we are selling from here. This way we are selling. On on gold, this is what is happening on gold now. This is what is happening on gold. So we are selling from here, but as for me, I'm seeing the market buy, but let's just wait for best opportunity to take the trade. So this is what is happening on gold now. This is the last break of structure. If market wants to come back, all this are already stripped. So let's see the opportunity. Let's know if it G. So we are still expecting. Let's see what this 1 hour is trying to tell us. But I'm still expecting bullish because we don't know what market is doing because what is happening between the Iran though and remaining countries is what is stopping the market seriously. So this is what I see in the market today. Let's just stay ahead and be patient to see our confirmation before I enter the market. Seriously, we can say the market want to continue with that trade, but let's just stay ahead of the market because on 4 hours there is opportunity here before the market can continue the uptrend. This may serve as liquidity for us. But we can still maybe this other block can push it up. But let's stay ahead of them. Let's be patient can see there's opportunity here. This way I'm expecting the buyer to come and enter this place. But market is very disciplined. The reason why I'm expecting this place because there's key level here. Market may expect this key level continue the uptrend. Market is going to respect this key level, continue the uptrend. So if we see change of character on 1 hour time frame, if market broken this place, for market broken this place with full body candle, definitely we are taking the buy. Same on gold also. If market is broken this way with full body or silver, with full body candle, definitely we are taking the buy. On US30, this way I'm selling. We are selling from here. This is what I'm saying. This is what I say in the market. So don't forget to share, like, comment, and turn on the notification button. We already know what we do in the market. We react to the market. We do not predict the market. This is what market is giving us, and let's see what is happening. Let's see what is happening. Thanks, peace, and love. Have a lovely day and have a successful day ahead, and have a profitable day ahead. And your trading and any other skills you are doing. Thanks, peace, and love.